across the middle portion is going to be a large metal panel with perforations that make a design, and it'll have an aquatics theme to that design. And then down below you have just the windows along that locker room hallway. So yeah, one thing we noticed at some of the other pools is the hallway that led to the locker rooms was dark and kind of in a back area. We put ours right up front with a lot of windows, so it should feel nice, open, and I think it'll just make for a really, really nice building. This door and this door will be the Waukee Warriors and the Northwest Wolves locker rooms. Basically where all the lifts are parked, and the crane is where we'll have the pool. Down at the far end will be the diving well with 2 1-meter boards and 2 3-meter diving boards. Just a lot of work happening above the pool area, because once we start digging the pool, a lot of that's going to become inaccessible. So you got to get the sprinkler lines, the HVAC duct work up, get it painted. So they're working hard to get it enclosed.